69, wow. You know, Rendell, as many like sex positions, like dog style. 69, whatsoever. And his most favorite is 69. See what's Rendell's reaction when I told him the word 69. See, Rendell, 69. Oh my God, look the sign. Rendell again, 69. Oh my God, what's that? Like a penis, huh?
No,
Rendell, the penis, huh? I like it. And see. Look at Denerick. Serious, huh? Serious on watching porn, huh? Watching porn, serious, huh? Serious, huh? Are you masturbating, Denerick? Huh? Denerick? Look at the camera, Denerick. Denerick, look at the camera, Denerick. Jem, what are you doing?
Ejaculating.
Wow, masturbating, huh? With Ivan, huh? You masturbate Ivan, huh? Oh, look, Ivan. Alisin mo yan, ha? Take off that, take off that pillow, ha? Ha? Pillow. Take off, ha? Support! Oh my God, support!
God damn, support.
Uncircumcised, ha? You're moment. Jem. Look at Jem, ha? Look. There's a dick on his mouth, huh? There's a dick. Oh my God, there's a dick. What? You fuck buttercup? Oh my God, DJ. Oh my God. Oy, gago, pambayad ng bayan. Oy, ano nga yan? Oy, ano yan?
Hindi ko kukunin.
Ano yan?
Alam ko kukunin ko.
Baka lumipad. Nakawin ng daga.
Oh my God, 69!
Oh my God, 69! Look at Rendell.
9,000?
10,000 yun.
Ulul, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Huwag mong lukutin, Rendell, bago yan.
1, 2. Sampal mo sa mukha. Basta na eh.
Titi daw niya toothpick. Ah, wala, ubus na yung toothpick.
Mayaman pa ako sa'yo.
Oh my God, 69 line. Oh my God. Oh, nagkapera si Rendell. What a man, what a magic.
Ang takin na mabubutin, nagkasampun dito.
Oo nga.
Papi.
Yan.